Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Farberware 12 cup stainless steel percolator. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show everyone how to make a full pot. Actually first, I want to mention price before I forget. I picked this up for 70 bucks on Amazon. And at the time I record this video, it's early April 2022. So expect to pay around that price. So we'll take off the cover. You have the brew basket lid, the brew basket. This is all stainless steel, by the way, and stainless steel parts. And we have the stem. And inside the pot, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but that's your water level indicator. It's actually reversed. You could tell on right by the handle. I wish they would have put it a little bit more on the side of the handle instead of like having it cover some of the numbers, but when you fill it you'll be using the water level indicator in there. So this is very easy to use, very simple. First we're going to fill it with water. We're going to make a full pot, so I'm going to go all the way to that 12 cup mark. Right. And they want you to use cold water, by the way, not hot water. They say you get better results with the cold water. So there's another quick look inside, up to the 12 cup mark. And we're gonna now put in the coffee grinds. But first, what they want you to do is wet the brew basket. Now, with some models, I did a video on the Presto, you would put a paper filter in this brew basket. You could either use the wraparound filter, or you could use a 12 cup style filter basket. I should say basket style filter that you would use for the auto drip machines. But what Farberware is just recommending we do is just wet the brew basket and put the grinds right in. So I'm going to test. I want to see how much material actually makes it into the cup or makes it into the pot. So we'll be testing that. I'm just curious to see how that's going to actually work out. So we'll just dunk the basket in. Take the stem, place it in the hole at the bottom of the brew basket, and you place it in the center. There's a little groove in the center of the pot at the bottom. You just want to secure that stem in there. We'll add the 12 tablespoons directly to this brew basket, and then we'll cover it. Just a quick tip before you put in the coffee grinds is just cover that hole at the top of the stem so no material gets in your water. 11, and this is going to be 12. 12 tablespoons for the 12 5-ounce cups. Place the lid on top. You also call that the spreader. Pop on the cover, and now it's set. And the minute you plug it in, it starts brewing. There is no on-off switch. And this power cord, by the way, it's only 2 feet long. Just so you know. Pretty short. And we're going to time it. It's just about done. And that took 12 minutes, 20 seconds. So figure about a minute a cup. And there's no, like I said, there's no on-off switch. There's no light that indicates when the coffee's complete. So when it stops making noise, that's when it's done. I always put the milk in, that way you get an idea of strength. I know you can't smell or taste it, but that's what I'm here for. Yeah, it's the first thing you notice is how hot it is. Even with the milk. And it has a nice strong flavor. I mean, yeah, I use chock full of nuts. Not the best coffee, but for this demo, it'll serve. Nice robust cup, nice and hot. And it'll stay hot so long as it's plugged in. Once you unplug it, it'll start to obviously get cool. There's one more. Yeah. Very good cup of coffee. Finishes it in about 12 minutes. And it got a good 175 to 180 degree cup of coffee. So that was the first cup. That's the material that snuck through the stainless steel basket without using the paper filter. That's going to do it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Hope it was interesting for anyone who wanted to know how to use this Farberware 12-cup percolator. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Please subscribe. Please like. That definitely helps the channel out. And I'll catch you in my next video.